Mercedes revealed the new CLA. Newly shaped front apron, the revised radiator grille with the star pattern and the new rear diffuser sharpen the sporty character. Added to this are the modernized graphics in the LED high-performance headlamps, which are now standard for the first time, and the LED rear lights. The new CLA features the latest generation of MBUX with newly designed display styles such as the Classic, Sporty and Discreet. The petrol engines are electrified and include 4-cylinder units with a 7 or 8-speed DCT automatic transmission as standard. As mild hybrids, the engines are equipped with an additional 48-volt onboard power supply that supports agility at startup with a 10 kW more power. Diesel powertrains are also available. Upgrades for the plug-in hybrid include improved battery and more power for the electric motor. AMG models have also been revealed. Mercedes-AMG CLA 35 Firmatic has been given an AMG-specific radiator grille with vertical slats, a reshaped front apron, and a round badge with AMG emblem. Car is now equipped with the 48-volt electrical system and a belt-driven starter generator providing a temporary power boost of 10 kW, as well as functions such as coasting and recuperation for greater efficiency. Top of the line is the CLA 45S Firmatic Plus with 421 horsepower, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 in just 4.1 seconds, while the top speed is 270 km/h. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new CLA?